Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the motor pulley in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be an easy job. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, 5/16" nut driver, a couple of adjustable wrenches, and homemade support strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new motor pulley. The motor pulley with the belt on transfers the rotation of the motor shaft to the drum. The main reason why the motor pulley should be replaced is if it's damaged by the broken belt. Open the lint screen door and pull out the lint screen. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take 2 screws out from under the lint door. Make sure they're not going to go inside the lint chute. Use some kind of a homemade device to support the top when it's open. In my case, I'm going to tape it to the surface because there's no hole on the top. Press your knee against the front panel, grab the top panel with both hands by its sides, and pull it forward to unlock from the plastic clips. Hook up the strap. Using the flat blade screwdriver, open the tabs and disconnect the wire plug. Using the 5/16" nut driver, take 2 screws that hold the front cabinet panel out. Leave the front panel off the clips. Support the drum and remove the panel. Reach under the drum, push the idler pulley to the right, and remove the drive belt from the idler and from the motor pulleys. Now we can lift the drum by the belt and pull it out of the cabinet. The dryer can use some vacuuming. Alright, we're going to put 1 adjustable wrench on the shaft. If you can see, there's a flat part on the shaft. So slide the wrench over it. Tighten it. Then the larger wrench we're going to use to unscrew the pulley. It's a regular counterclockwise thread, so then we're going to pull off the old plastic skirt. This is the old motor pulley next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the new motor pulley. Put it on the shaft and turn it manually clockwise. And then we're going to use the same 2 adjustable wrenches. So we're going to hold the shaft and tighten the pulley. Then we're going to install the belt pulley, also called idler pulley, into the slot. And now we can install the drum back into the cabinet. Place it at the bottom on the rollers. Make sure it's, yep, now we can see it's down on the rollers. So next we're going to put the belt on. Alright, lift the idler pulley. Put the belt on the top of the pulley and into this little cutout. Then push the pulley to the right and place the belt over the motor pulley and slowly let it go. You can turn the drum just to make sure that the belt is not going anywhere. Install the front panel on the side clips. Lift the drum push it in and secure it with the two 5/16" screws. Reconnect the door switch plug. Alright, now we can remove the holding strap and close the top. Push it down till it locks. Then I'm going to remove that duct tape. Secure the top to the lean chute with two Phillips screws. Insert the lean screw in and close the lean door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.